In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard and click on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text. To paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard. If you can't see it here, like I can just now, tap on this icon at the top left corner and then click on it. Now, to paste anything from Clipboard, just tap on it. If you want to paste it after an hour though, you need to pin it or it will disappear. To do that, just hold it and click on pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. To delete anything from Clipboard, swipe it to the right, swipe it to the left, or hold it and click on delete. You can also pin and delete anything from Clipboard by tapping on this pen at the top right corner, selecting whatever you wish to, and managing those two options. To disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!